Hi everybody and welcome to this series of videos, PL Possibilities. Today we're going to look at filming yourself and your screen. And just a reminder that this is a series of videos set out in a beginner, intermediate and advanced playlist. And the first one we're going to do today is the media recorder in Canvas. So when you're in Canvas, the media recorder is in announcements, pages, discussions, quizzes and assignments. And to access the media recorder, you click Edit in one of these. When you click Edit, it brings up what we call the Rich Content Editor, which is a menu of things that you can do on that particular page, assignment or discussion. In this case here, we want to record and upload some media. So I'm going to put my cursor in the place where I want the video to go, and I'm going to click this button that has a little triangle on it. When I do that, it brings up this Record Upload Media comment box. In some cases, it might ask you to agree to use your microphone and webcam. In this case here, it's chosen the actual camera on my computer, and I can change this by clicking on the right-hand side here where it says webcam. Once I do that, I can choose a variety of cameras that are connected to my computer, or if I just want to record my audio, I can pick no video. So in this case here, I'm going to pick the one that's highest so that people can see my faces. So when I do that, I can also test to see that my microphone is working by this blue line here. And if the microphone isn't working, I can then choose one of the other ones that are available here. Now when I want to, and I'm ready, I can click Start Recording. It'll give me a 3, 2, 1 countdown. And this is where I would give my instructions. I would look directly at the camera and speak slowly. I can click Finish and watch the video again. When I'm happy with my particular video, I can title it and click Save. If I'm not happy and I want to film it again, I can click Start Over. So in this case here, this is going to be my reading instructions for my students. And click Save. You can obviously stand in front of a whiteboard and show some mathematical equations. You might want to read a book to a student. And at the moment, because we have special rules in place for COVID-19, then reading a book to your students in a password protected Canvas website is fine. Now this has then put this media recording on the page, and to preview it, all I have to do is click Save down the bottom, and that will embed this on the page. I can click Play, and it's not a small when it plays in full screen. And obviously the students can pause, they can make it larger and smaller, and also if you needed to, you could also upload some subtitles to your particular video. Now it's important to note that students can also write a reply and record via video. So if I was a student in my class, I can click Write a reply on a phone, a tablet or a computer and utilise that same button to record my video back to the teacher. And it does exactly the same process, where it asks them to record using their camera or their audio if they don't have a camera on their actual device. And they can start recording. And then post their reply back to you. So that is a media recorder in Canvas.